Welcome. This video I'll show you how to create a design variant for A/B test in Stitch. Okay, so first up, as you can see here, I have here a project open. This is fresh, and as you can see here, I have a little prompt in here that says, design a dark themed crypto dashboard with top navigation bar and a collapsible sidebar right here. Now, in order to create a design variant, okay, you could go ahead and add in, maybe, as I've said it here, can you add a toggle for light mode and dark mode at the top right besides the deposit button? So Stitch right here created me this one with the toggle right here for light mode and dark mode. Now, if you're wondering where these three came, so I just basically, okay, I went over here from the main prompt. Okay, you could go ahead over to the second prompt and then just click on generate and select the variations right here. Okay. So what I did is I included, okay, the aspects to vary, basically all the layout, color scheme, images, text font, text content. And if you want to add in custom instructions, you can go ahead and add it right here. Okay. Creative range, I just set it to medium. You can go ahead and set it to refine or YOLO. Okay. The number of options I have here, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here I have different crypto dashboards. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and use this one for A/B testing and this one as well. So just hover over it, click on edit, click on more, click on export or view code, copy the code from here, continue working elsewhere, as basically you cannot type anything in here. Okay. All right. So for example, this page right here works than any other dashboards right here. Well, you can just go ahead and continue using this option. As Stitch right here doesn't have A/B testing, you can only design UIs right here or UX. All right. And that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.